In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm at Walmart in store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use Affirm at Walmart in store and online by using the latest version of the Affirm mobile app. So before starting, open the Affirm mobile app and go into the home screen where you can find Walmart under the list of merchants. In here, you will be able to notice that they have instructions for shopping online and shopping in store. If you want to shop online, all that you have to do is be redirected to the Walmart website through Affirm, and you will be able to add everything to your shopping cart and select Affirm as the payment method during checkout. Alternatively, to shop in store, what you have to do is tap the option and you will receive a one-time barcode. You will have to call one of their employees or associates to the register where they can scan this barcode to help you use Affirm on Walmart. But as long as you generate the barcode through the mobile app, you will be able to pay with Affirm in store. So if you aren't signed up like I am, all you have to do is tap check my purchasing power and follow through the instructions to register to use Affirm. Since everything is done through the app, you need to have an active and verified account in order to properly use Affirm at Walmart in store. And as long as you select Walmart from the list of merchants and you choose in-store payment, you will be able to call an associate to help you scan the barcode that is generated inside of Affirm. Once you are done, you can choose the best payment plan for you and manage all of your payments inside of the Affirm mobile app. They will all be tied to your account instantly as long as you present the barcode as shown on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm at Walmart in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.